How to fix not receiving phone calls issue on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is if you have disabled Do Not Disturb mode in your device or not. For that, scroll down from the right corner of your screen. Click on this option Focus. Make sure you have disabled for this option of Do Not Disturb. Once you check that, now let's jump into the solutions. Open your Settings app. Toggle on for the option of Airplane mode. Now wait for 60 seconds and again disable it. Heading towards next solution, scroll down. Open the option Phone. Scroll all the way down. Open the option Blocked Contacts. Make sure you haven't accidentally blocked any contacts, as if you block someone, you will not receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime. Head back. Heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Go to the option General. Open the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your device to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll all the way down. Click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset network settings. Once you apply all these processes, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix not receiving phone calls issue on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.